What's so beautiful? Hi chummies. So I cut my hair yesterday. But I'm okay. Like right now is literally the week where we are going to school. I don't know, but it's a Monday. And I'm gonna go do my hair. I'm gonna go fetch my textbooks. I have to wash my bag because I didn't get a new one. So yeah, let's go. Guys, as I walked out the salon, I met these other guys on the way, and then this other one was like, "Umuhle ngathi usebenze apsa." I'm like, thank you. Like, what type of compliment is that? It's crazy. Hey guys, I'm almost done with my hair and we need to go and get my limo. So like, yeah, go climb a limo and get. I think I'm gonna put some Vaseline on my face just to banya. Guys, my limo just dropped me in the middle of the road. I need to walk on my own because when I use words, really. Guys, I'm low-key lost today. Like, I'm busy turning corners. I remember specific stores, but like I don't remember which street it's in. So like I'm just we are. Look at this little thing. So big. I'm like, how do I eat? Guys, we're on our way to climb a limo again.
Yeah, it's a perfect show for us. We are very kind people, so we're gonna let at least 15 other people on us with the and the taxi with us.
Yeah, because we're very generous.
So we're gonna go with the limo to the airport and then we go.
Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back from school and thank God I was gonna try because I would have crashed out. Anyways, I got my books. I got Life of Pi, the math book, this book that you don't use but get it anyway, tablets, this as textbook, and then these ones I had to buy them at the mall for myself, and then I also need to get my physics textbooks from my teacher, so I guess I'm gonna get them on Wednesday now because they didn't give them to us yet. And then yeah, that's it. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys a stationery haul, but like my things are far away. I got, these are not mine, these are my brother's. Where are my things? Yes, I got these pens and these pencils, and then I also got myself this little book. I'm very, very serious this year, guys. I'm gonna make notes. I'm gonna make notes in class. I'm gonna be like, no homework today. Study 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and then I got myself this ruler because one of my classmates used to have this ruler and it's so straight. Yeah, so I liked it. I would use hers and not use mine. And then I got Pritz. I got more. I got 3 Pritz. I got 3 Pritz and these erasers. And then these. I got 3. There's the third one. And then highlighters, this thing, clip pens. Because why don't you have clip pens? Yeah, I think that's it. That's it. Oh, I forgot 2 of these. 288. Right there, 288. What are we doing with, how much is 288 times 2? 4, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6. 476 pages. Yeah, it's crazy. Like, why do we need so many pages? Why do we need so many pages? Why are we doing the whole year, huh, with 476 pages? Huh? Anyways, yeah, I think that's it from me today. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. I miss my friends. I saw my friends. I saw all my friends except for one, and I only saw them, like, I saw a glimpse of them, like a glimpse. I can't wait to just spend my whole year with them. And yeah. Good morning, gorgeous. Good morning, good people. So today is Tuesday and I have quite a few things on my to-do list. I have to do a short clip to post on my socials, hairstyles to be exact, and then I need to fix my clothes for tomorrow, my school uniform. I still need to wash my bag because I didn't wash it yesterday. Man, guys, it's not my fault. Like, it rained, guys. It's not me. So I think that's about it for today. It sounds like a short list, but it takes time to do all these things, guys. Alright, yeah. Okay, I'm done getting ready and my bag is washed, so I'm gonna go nether it. And guys, this hairstyle thingy is because there's not a lot of hours in the day and I take time with my hair, so I don't even know what's the plan. I don't know. I was planning to shoot outside, but then when I check like the camera, it looks a bit dark, so I'm scared you guys won't see the styles properly. You know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what, you know that about it, baby. Hey guys, so I'm done recording like all my hairstyles now, and like, I don't even know where to begin with the editing because I've never edited like that before. You know, I have a vision for this video, and if it doesn't work out, then should say happy birthday to me, because like, it took me about, I think we're going on 2 hours of me like styling my hair and styling it, styling my hair and styling it, styling and styling. So if it doesn't work out, I'm gonna cry because I worked so hard on that one. Like so yeah, it has to. I need to also get my school things. Like, guys, I got these new shoes, and like, I haven't worn these shoes in the longest time. Like, this is my first time in 5 years, because the last time I wore them was in primary school, and I hated them because I wore them too much and everybody was wearing tuffies, so I'm like, why am I the loser, you know? And then yeah, now I'm back again because I want to feel cutesy and like look like it. This style, these shoes with black stockings and a blazer, a skirt. I'm gonna do that one day. I'm gonna do that. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Good people, I'm currently in the kitchen and I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. So I chopped up my chicken and this, I'm waiting for it to sizzle dazzle, and then I'm making macaroni this side. I am gonna drain the water. I'm gonna drain the water, don't come for me.
This is the outro of the video. Yeah. So yeah, this is Mbali signing out, guys. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.